LCM by prime factorization method. How we can find LCM by prime factorization method? Okay, you have to find the LCM of, we have to let's take a number. Find LCM of 18 and 48 by prime factorization method. It is given in your quick assessment. Okay, then we have to find the LCM of 18 and 48 by prime factorization. We know how to do the prime factorization, so we do prime factorization of 18 and 48 separately. 18 is equal to 2 into 9. Then again 9 will be divided by prime factorization, 3 into 3. Now we get all the prime number 2 into 3 into 3. Now 48. First we divide 48 by 2. This means 2 into 24. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Again 2 into 12, 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. You should know, I hope you know 12 table. 2 into 6. Again 2 into 3. Okay, so what we find? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. These are the prime factors of 48. Or we can do it the division method also. Continuous division method of the prime factorization what we study in class 4. 2 into 9, 3 into 3. But we will do individually, not like the common division method. 48, 24, 12, 6, 3. Okay, now we can write 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Now 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. There are how many 2s? 4 2s and 1 3. And here 1 2 and 2 3. So what we will do in the SCF? What will be the SCF? We will take only the common factors. We will take only the common factors. That is the 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. This 1 3 and this 1 3. So SCF, if we have to find SCF, we will simply do 2 into 3, then that will be 6. But what we will do? Here we write first the common factor 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Then we'll in LCM. Then we'll write first the common are 2, 2, 3, and uncommon factors are these 3. These 3 is not common with any of these. These 3 and all other 2. These are uncommon. So we'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. LCM is equal to, in SCF we take only common factors, but in LCM we take common factors and all others uncommon factors, so that we can find the multiples. Okay, so first common factor 2 2, from 1 2 we get a 2, and 3 3 we take a 3. Then the uncommon factor are 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. Then what will be the result? 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 2 24, 22 22 into 24, 6 into 3 12, 6 12 24, 48, 48 3 jar, 4 8 are 24, 4 3 jar 12, and 2 144. 144 is the LCM of 18 and 48. Likewise, you will do all other one.